Hello friends, I am Bella, and I'm here with another captivating video from the Luxury Richland team. Please join me until the end of the video. South Beach, Miami, often referred to as the American Riviera, is a vibrant and iconic destination renowned for its stunning beaches, vibrant nightlife, and luxurious lifestyle. Nestled along the shores of the Atlantic Ocean, South Beach captivates visitors and residents alike with its unique blend of Art Deco architecture, upscale dining, high-end shopping, and an array of extravagant amenities. In this video, we delve into the allure of South Beach, exploring its captivating lifestyle, opulent real estate options, and the epitome of luxury living. South Beach's lifestyle is synonymous with glamour, vitality, and excitement. The area exudes a distinct energy that seamlessly merges leisure, entertainment, and culture. From sun-drenched days spent lounging on pristine white sands to evenings filled with live music, world-class dining, and exclusive parties, South Beach offers an unparalleled lifestyle experience. The vibrant nightlife scene, encompassing trendy clubs and lounges, draws international jet-setters, celebrities, and tastemakers, further enhancing the area's allure. The real estate market in South Beach is a testament to sophistication and grandeur. Exclusive waterfront residences, lavish penthouses, and luxury condos line the coastline, offering breathtaking views of the ocean, bay, and city skyline. The architecture seamlessly blends modern design with the iconic Art Deco style, creating a visual feast for the eyes. High-end amenities such as private pools, spas, fitness centers, concierge services, and meticulously landscaped grounds are common features in South Beach's luxury properties, elevating the living experience to new heights. in South Beach is synonymous with a luxurious lifestyle. The area boasts a plethora of world-class amenities, catering to the discerning tastes of its residents. From high-end boutiques featuring renowned fashion brands to renowned fine dining establishments helmed by celebrity chefs, South Beach leaves no stone unturned when it comes to luxury experiences. Additionally, residents can indulge in exclusive yacht clubs, private beach clubs, rejuvenating spas, and elite fitness centers, ensuring an unparalleled level of comfort and extravagance. South Beach's skyline is adorned with iconic luxury towers that serve as architectural marvels and symbols of opulence. These towers redefine the concept of luxury living, offering residents a seamless blend of style, sophistication, and comfort. Whether it's the sleek and contemporary design of a high-rise condominium or the historic charm of a meticulously restored Art Deco building, each tower boasts its unique allure. The panoramic views, state-of-the-art facilities, and impeccable attention to detail create an unrivaled living experience that befits the South Beach lifestyle. South Beach in Miami is a haven of luxury living, where the beach meets high-end fashion, fine dining, and extravagant entertainment. With its stunning beaches, captivating lifestyle, luxurious real estate offerings, and iconic towers, South Beach continues to attract those who seek the finest in life. Whether you're a resident or visitor, Immersing yourself in the vibrant and glamorous world of South Beach is an experience like no other. Please feel free to write the name of your city and country in the comments if you would like us to create a video about it. Thank you for watching this beautiful travel documentary. Your feedback helps us produce more videos about special places. Don't forget to like our videos and recommend our channel to your friends. Until the next travel documentary, take care.